closer to the ground. John Mahoney has been flying for 24 years, has logged nearly 1,200 hours in the air. So close to the ground with a beautiful slow roll. Ladies and gentlemen, John Mahoney and the Red Tail Salto sailplane about to touch down right in front of you. He'll roll right up to show center, precisely to show center and stop this aircraft. He now has it on the ground. You'll watch spoilers come up and deploy in just a few moments. And then he will be coming to a stop. A certified flight instructor of both power airplanes and gliders. John holds the International Gold Badge with 1 diamond for soaring proficiency. Right up to show center, precisely on the spot. Ladies and gentlemen, here is John Mahoney.
I wish I was taller or you guys were shorter. This is Tom Kelly, City Life Productions, and we're here at the Quonset Air Show with a bunch of the people who will come down to see the show. At least you're tall. What's your name? I'll go first with you.
My name's Mike Hannon.
Where you from, Mike?
North Kingstown.
Enjoy the show?
Yeah, it was fun.
Would you come again next year?
Yep.
Great. Your name?
Noel Grand Mason.
Where you from, Noel?
North Kingstown.
North Kingston. What grade school?
Davison Middle School.
Right. Favorite subject?
Lunch.
Lunch. I like that. Can you turn around over here? Right. See the camera over there. Right. Are you a baseball player?
No.
Do you play baseball, t-ball, or anything?
Soccer.
Soccer? Can you kick the ball all over the place?
Yeah.
Do you like the air show?
Yes.
What's your name?
Daniel.
Daniel, look right down there and say, hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Out of the way. Next. Did I get you already? I get you already? No. Your name?
Laura Saltzman.
Laura, where you from?
Smithfield.
Smithfield. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Hi, your name?
Jennifer Kennedy.
Jennifer, say hello to everybody in City Life.
Hi.
Hi, your name?
Heather Schneider.
Heather, say hello to everybody from City Life Productions.
Hi.
Hi, this is Tom Kelly, City Life Productions, and I got a sore back. This is not easy duty. We're going to go on, and we're going to see if we can see some more. Hang in there, sit back, enjoy the show. We'll be right back.
Checking his position in the aerobatic zone. We'll watch as he performs the Humpty Bump maneuver. That's the vertical climb, the pull through 180 degrees, and the vertical dive. John holds the International Gold Badge with 1 diamond for soaring proficiency. Right up to show center, precisely on the spot. Ladies and gentlemen, here is John Mahoney.